Are you truly ready for the unexpected? In this video, we reveal the top 10 emergency survival gadgets and first aid kits you need in 2025. Whether you're into camping, bushcraft, prepping, or just want to stay ready for real-world emergencies, these life-saving tools are built to keep you alive, prepared, and one step ahead. From tactical multi-tools to compact trauma kits, this survival gear guide will help you choose wisely when it matters most. So, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive in. Number 10. Emergency kit for hiking, camping, and backpacking and outdoors. When wild moments turn critical, this kit turns calm into action. Packed for road trips, hikes, and unpredictable terrain, it's more than bandages. It's a mobile response unit. From minor scrapes to serious cuts, the zip-stitch wound closure strips offer surgical-level care when help is miles away. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or just heading home, this isn't just a kit. It's peace of mind, zipped and ready. Number 9. 99 pieces professional survival gear. When you're miles from help, on a trail, in the wild, or facing roadside uncertainty, this 99-piece survival first aid kit becomes your lifeline. Packed in a rugged hiking backpack, it combines professional-grade gear with essential emergency equipment for outdoor adventures. From trauma care to tactical tools, every item is chosen for real-world readiness. Whether you're gifting it to a father, scout, or seasoned explorer, it's not just a bag. It's preparedness you can carry. Built for action. Sized for survival. Ready when it matters most. Number 8. RHINO Rescue Small First Aid Kit. When wild moments strike fast, your response should be faster. This kit is built for movement, ultralight, water-resistant, and packed with essentials that matter. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or navigating tight terrain, it rides unnoticed until it's needed. Then, it opens with purpose. From minor cuts to sudden scrapes, this isn't just a pouch, it's your silent safeguard on every journey. Number 7. Emergency Survival and First Aid Kit. Out here, there's no backup, just you and this kit. Packed with 142 mission-critical tools, it's built for the unpredictable. Jungle treks, mountain hunts, roadside emergencies, fire starter, tactical blade, trauma care, navigation. Every item is chosen for action, not decoration. The MOLLE pouch rides tight, deploys fast, and keeps your gear locked in. Whether you're gifting it to someone who lives prepared or carrying it into the unknown, this isn't just gear. It's your survival system. Adventure grade, always ready. Number 6. Standard Ifak First Aid Kit. When the wild doesn't wait and the stakes turn real, this kit doesn't flinch. Loaded with 132 life-saving essentials, it's built for trauma, survival, and rapid response. From roadside emergencies to backcountry injuries, every item is chosen for action. The rugged red shell stands out when seconds matter. Whether you're camping, driving, or prepping for the unpredictable, this isn't just a first aid kit. It's your frontline answer to chaos. Number 5. Survival Kits 37-in-1. Emergency survival gear and equipment. When you're deep in the wild, instincts matter, but gear matters more. This compact kit packs 37 essential tools: fire starter, compass, tactical blade, whistle, wire saw, each chosen for action, not decoration. Whether you're gifting it to someone who lives prepared or stashing it for your own next adventure, this isn't just gear. It's peace of mind in your pocket. Lightweight, tactical, always ready. Number 4. Clozex Emergency Laceration Closures. When the wild cuts deep and help is miles away, this device closes the gap, literally. Designed to seal lacerations without stitches, it offers medical-grade closure in seconds. Whether you're hiking, camping, or navigating unpredictable terrain, it's the difference between panic and precision. Treat 2 wounds individually or combine for up to 2 inches of closure. Compact, FSA, HSA eligible. Always ready when the moment turns critical. Number 3. Survival Kit. All-in-one survival gear. When you're off-grid, on the trail, or facing a roadside emergency, this all-in-one survival kit delivers tactical readiness in a compact form. Packed with essential tools like a fire starter, flashlight, compass, wire saw, and multi-tool. It's built to handle camping, hiking, hunting, and car emergencies with speed and precision. Lightweight yet rugged, it equips you to respond, adapt, and stay in control when conditions shift. From wilderness to roadside, this kit keeps you prepared when it matters most. Number 2. Emergency Survival Gear Kits 60-in-1. When you're deep in the wild or caught in a roadside emergency, hesitation isn't an option. This 60-in-1 survival kit is built for those moments. Whether you're hiking, camping, climbing, or facing the unexpected, it delivers essential tools like a flashlight, wire saw, tactical pen, whistle, pliers, and emergency bracelet, all packed for rapid response. Compact yet powerful, it's your go-to backup when instincts meet uncertainty. Stay prepared, stay protected, because when things go wrong, this kit makes sure you go home right. Number 1. Survival Kit 28-in-1 Survival Gear Tool. When adventure calls or emergencies strike, this 28-in-1 survival kit delivers instant readiness. Whether you're camping, hiking, or prepping for the unexpected, it packs tactical essentials like a fire starter, whistle, flashlight, wire saw, and emergency tools, all in one compact pouch. Lightweight, rugged, and family-ready, this kit ensures you're never caught off guard. Because being prepared isn't a luxury, it's a responsibility.